Here's another concentration question, question 4.24 from the homework. What's the mass in grams of sodium carbonate that, when dissolved in 128.6 milliliters of water, will make a 0.143 molar aqueous solution? So this is very similar to the previous problem. We're going to need a lot of the same steps. We're just going to solve for mass when before we solved for concentration. So we can use that molarity and the volume to find out how much we need or how much would be in that solution. So we've got a 0.143 molar solution, and I think an easier way to see that, right, so we can take our molarity, we can go to moles, and then once we're in moles, then we can get what we're looking for, the mass of the sodium carbonate. So I'm going to take my molarity, 0.143 molar, right? Molarity is moles per liter. So I've got 0.143 moles per liter. And we can find out how many moles, right? We want to get rid of volume in liters. And so I've got 128.6 milliliter solution. I need that in liters. So again, we're going to divide by 1,000 milliliters. To get our solution is 0.1286 liters. So I can use that, 0.1286 liters, right? Liters cancel out. And now I've got moles of sodium carbonate in solution. So 0.143 times 0.1286, right, I get 0.01839 moles of sodium carbonate. Now that I've got moles of sodium carbonate, I can find the mass of sodium carbonate using the molar mass. Right, so 0.01839 moles, right, the molar mass, and they give us that in the problem, tells us that for 1 mole of sodium carbonate, we need to have 105.98 grams of sodium carbonate. So we multiply, moles cancel out, so times 105.98. And we are going to need approximately 1.949 grams of sodium carbonate in this solution. Taking a look back to see significant figures, I've got 4 significant figures here, only 3 significant figures here in concentration, so that means we can adjust our number for 3 significant figures. I'm going to round this up to 1.95 grams of sodium carbonate in solution. Right, we can take molarity. Molarity is just moles per liter, so I know the volume, which means I can use that volume to determine how many moles I have in the solution, and then from there we just need the molar mass to figure out the total mass of that solute dissolved in solution.